Hey guys, it is Greg again. I want to go over some stuff real quick with you and show you kind of the stuff that I'm looking for to start wrapping this correction up. Not to say that's wrapped up, we still got a few more months to go, and this is going to relate to the crypto market, even the S&P 500. Okay, so in my opinion, this is very, very important for those that are interested. You got to watch the other financial markets, see what's going on. Now I'm keeping my eye on the other markets out there, and just people that are general speakers on YouTube about it, and they think, a lot of people think this is like the end. This is the end. We are at the end, and we're going into a recession. I think we're going into a recession, all kinds of stuff. But hey, man, this is what I think is going on here with the S&P 500. Because if you see my red line on here, what I was waiting for on the S&P 500, I wanted the this area to break. If you can see, break that right there and come down. So that means that this correction on the S&P 500 is going to be swinging down 3 waves, up in 3, and then it's going to be coming down. Here's 1. It's going to swing back up and come down in 3, and that's probably going to take a couple months, guys, on this S&P 500. But what I'm looking at here, the big picture is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which make this wave, and it'll go into a minor wave 3 up, rather than having this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then it's over with. So that's very, very important for the crypto market. Okay, it's very, very important. I got some target areas on the S&P 500. It's going to be down here, starting like at 39. The middle of the box is 36.80, and as low as 34.55. And the general area, just making the channel and going off with some fibs. I don't keep track of this too much. I just kind of gave a general ballpark, but I think the S&P 500 could possibly go down to 34, 3,500 just at the end, just swinging down into this channel. And the reason I say that is because I think people are still buying the dip too much in this area. And I think at some point it will stop, and I'll just have a capitulation event down to here in this area. It could even go lower. I'm just getting a general area. So that would be good. Get this correction over with, whether it's in July, August, September, whenever that will be. And then this will be good for the crypto markets, where Bitcoin will be coming down in this area, wherever that may be, to finish its correction too, in the same, basically the general same time area. So this is that you will be paying attention to Bitcoin, the S&P, and also what I went over too was the DXY. Okay, let me go out to the weekly on the DXY, where if the overall picture with the DXY, where this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to come up in the next couple months, wherever the 3 ends on the DXY, 4th wave correction, and then push up for the 5 in the same time area. So letting you guys know that this is what I'm looking for, and kind of what I'm paying attention to finally get this correction over, because I do think at some point the S&P 500, the Bitcoin's going to go down, and it's going to surprise people, and it'll go down, finish the correction, and then it's going to go off, and I'll have a period of time where it's going to go off and start making moves to the upside. That this right here, see, this is going to be a multi-month correction, maybe even multi-year. This will right here, possibly. And this will go up like that. And that's when those assets will start making their move to the upside. With the time frame right now that I'm looking at, it's the farther out you go, the more difficult it is. But right now, July-ish, August, and if it's not done, then I'll be, obviously keep pushing it back. That's kind of the areas I'm looking for. So in my opinion, this is a good time to be in these assets, because you're going to be able to get them for obviously a lot less price, wait for a confirmation that there's a trend change, and then you can get into these things and ride them up on the next wave. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.